Winter ain't stopping us, boy. Okay. Yo, Jay! Noontime. We're halfway in, thanks to Jay's beautiful cutting. He's up here being a man, getting that money for his child and his wife. And Daddy's taking the big chunks. Oh, fuck! And we're going back down, baby. Going back down, baby! Woo! Yeah! Thank you, sir. Here, let me get a shot of your back here. You know who to call, y'all. Know who to call. What an animal! Jeez, that guy's an animal. Just dumping loads, baby. A chimney within a chimney, filled with wood. So check Jay's just popping the cap that was over poured off the old cap. It's just popping apart and splitting. Hit it, Jay, one time right there. Of course, the one that we, yeah, there you go. There, just popped nice. Just split the old cap off of the old cap. Had this brace that was holding the plywood, almost touching that flue which he was using. He was using